Hi friends, today I am going to show you how it's easy to prepare a valuation report in fast, systematic and precise manner with almost no error. So let us start. We will fill this form by entering the data. These data are preliminary data which can be entered by reading out index 2. First, we will press this button to enter today's date. We don't have to read calendar to recollect the date. By pressing this button, you will have today's date directly get entered here. Let us enter village name here. Here we will enter the agreement value, and here we will enter agreement date. Okay, let us move further. Here we will enter pin code. Now friends, when this pin code is between 4000000 to 400104, then here district will be automatically written as Mumbai. Okay, now here we will select the appropriate property, say flat, shop, office, industrial gala, industrial land, bungalows, and like that. Here enter unit number. Floor number will automatically get written here. If it is 702, then 7th floor. If it is 1102, it is 11th floor, and so on. Here we will enter building name. Here we will enter survey number, CTS number or GUT number, anything which is applicable. Here we will enter plot number, sector number if applicable. Here we will press this button to get map link from Google Map. By pressing that button, we will be guided to Google Map. The map will be automatically open for the building name which we have already entered here. See, okay. Here we will copy this link and paste it to our form. This link inserted here will help us to get latitude, longitude extracted from that link and will automatically written in our report. Now let us enter remaining address here in two parts, like this and like this. Now let us move further. Here we will enter the area of unit. If area written is in square meter, then select this button, and if area written is in square feet, then select this option. If the area inserted is carpet area, then press this button. If it is RERA carpet, then press this button. If it is built up, then press this button. And if area written in the index 2 is super built up sellable area, then press this button. Enter the name of purchaser here. Name of purchaser may be 1, 2, 3, 4, any. Enter client contact number here. Okay, here we will enter the list of documents received from the bank. Now let us move to second page. On this page we will enter the data which we collected on site. Here we will enter the landmark of site under valuation. Friends, you must remember that we have already copied the Google Map link and pasted it here. If you look it closely, you will be able to see that this link itself is having longitude latitude in it. So it will automatically get written down here from that link. Now here I will enter only few characters of bank name. In my case it is RSPC State Bank of India Ghatkopar branch, so I will write only GHAT. If it is Sion branch, then I will write SIO. This will automatically write RSPC Ghatkopar Mumbai in my final report. Okay. Now here I will enter name of officer who assigned me that work. Here if needed, CC and OC detail will be written down here. Now let us enter boundary details of flat like this. Here when I enter 702, the sentence like flat number 702 will be written automatically. If I enter M, only M, then it will write marginal space. When I enter character E only, then it will write entrance passage, and so on. Now friends, if you want to add adjoining property detail for whole plot, you can enter it here like this, and so on. Now please select this option yes or no for lift. If lift is there, please select yes. If lift is not there, please select no. Now enter the measurement taken on site like this. Keep on entering measurement taken on site like this, this, and so on. Now if you have adjoining terrace, balcony, flower beds, you can press this button, yes button, and then you can enter its data like this. So you will find the data with terrace and without terrace. Here you can see the area mentioned in the document. This has been written here just for the ready reference and cross check. This is to verify if there is a major difference between area measured on site and area mentioned in document. So you can recheck the measurement on site. Now please tick this button if unit is under construction. If it is already constructed, please uncheck this button. If you check this button, then these boxes will open for making entries in it. And if it is already constructed, you will have to write year of construction like 2019, 17, 18 or so. Here we have to enter total number of floors excluding ground floor. Now if property is tenanted, then please tick this button. When you click this button, it will open those boxes where you have to enter the data, like since how long property is tenanted, what is the relation of tenant with owner, and the amount of rent. Now if the unit is not entered, you can uncheck this button. Now here you can enter the value, like value as informed by purchaser. Here you can enter the value derived by local inquiry. Here you can insert the value derived from price trend of different property sites like 99 acre, Magic Bricks and Light Dogs. Please enter the final rate per square feet derived with your personal experience. Here you have to click yes if purchaser had paid extra for parking, like this. If no extra charge is paid, you can uncheck this button. Now by clicking this button, we will be redirected to Ready Reckoner site, and when the site is in Mumbai Suburban, it will directly go to Mumbai Suburban link. We have to enter CTS number here only. Now this data of land rate, construction rate of 27,500 and composite rate will be inserted accordingly. If you have manually calculated the Ready Reckoner value, you can insert it here. The site visit date and assignment date to be inserted here. Now here I will arrange photograph taken on site. If you want to arrange 4 photos in a sheet, press this button. If you want to arrange 6 photos in a sheet, press this button. If you want to arrange 9 photos in a sheet, press this button. Now let us press this button to arrange 6 photos of site. On clicking this button, 6 photos will be arranged in sheet. Here the name of purchaser and part address will be written down automatically. Now friends, let us see how our valuation look like. Look at this. What we have entered in a form will get automatically entered here and valuation prepared accordingly. Now if you want to mail this report instantly, then just click this button. When you click this button, the valuation report will be mailed to the person who assigned you a work. Here in our case it is RSCPC Ghatkopar, so the email address of RSCPC Ghatkopar will automatically entered here. Body text will be automatically done, and the attachment, our report will be converted to PDF file and it will be attached here. We just have to send it like this. Okay friends, now the bill will automatically prepared here like this. Here the amount of professional bill, CGST, SGST and total will written down. Also you will find the amount in words is also written down. If you have to issue structure report also under single bill, you can just press this button and the professional charge of structure report will also calculated and added to the total. Total will get changed accordingly and the amount in words will get changed. So friends, this is a simple, fast, systematic approach to derive valuation in just 15-20 minutes. I hope you like this video. Please click like button if you find this video as a useful one. I will keep posting such type of videos in regular interval. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it now, and after subscribed, please click this bell icon. When I post new videos, you will be informed immediately. Thank you friends, have a nice day.